A very good morning to all of you. Today, students, we will do in lesson number 8 factors. So, let us talk about what is factors. Factors are the numbers which divide the another number without leaving any remainder. Is called factors. For example, if we talk about 24, so we will see in which table 24 come, or we will see that one number in which 24 is completely divisible. So we will start whenever we divide the numbers or finding the factors, we always start from. So in one table 24 come at 24. So 1 24. So 1 I have written in the starting and 24 I have written at the end. Clear? Now student, after 1 we will see in 2 table. In 2 table 24 come or not? For that 24 is a even number, so it means 24 definitely come in 2 table. At which position it will come? We will divide 24 by 2. When we divide it, we get 2 12s are 24. So 2 I have written in the starting after 1 and 12 before 24. Like this manner we will write down the factor. After 2 we will see in 3 table 24 come, yes, at 8. So 3 I have written in the starting and 8 at the end. Clear? Then we will see in 4 table. 4 table 24 come at 6. So we write 6. After 4 table it will come in table of 6. So 6 4 means again numbers are going to repeat. So we will stop. Like this manner we will find the factors. Now student, there are some facts about factors. So all these facts are given in your book. So please mark in your book and above it write down read word. Means you have to read from the book. Clear? So the first point which is very important and I already told you is that 1 is a factor of every number. Means whenever we start finding the factors, so 1 is the first number which is considered in every table. Clear? So 125 is 25. Now second point is the greater factor of a number is number itself. Means 1 is the smallest factor and the greatest factor of any number is the number itself. And the numbers factor of every number is always smaller than and equals to the number. See this numbers factor. All numbers are smaller than 12. Clear? Now, as you all know that 0 is not a factor of any number because 0 does not divide any number. Clear? Now 6 point. A number has finite factor. Finite means limited factor it is having. Clear? A factor divides the number exactly, leaving no remainder. This thing I already told you what are factors. Clear? So now student, we will start activity 3. So see, activity 3, question number 1 we do. In this you have to use multiplication method to find the factors. Students, for you I will do first 4 parts and EF part is a homework for you. You have to do by yourself. It's very easy. You have to see in which table 15 comes. See how. Firstly, you have to write down in your maths copy like this manner. A part 15. As you all know that whenever we start writing factor, we start from 1. So 1 15s are 15. So we will write like this method because multiplication method means 1 multiplied by 15 is equals to 50. Clear? Now we will check in 2 table 15 come? No. So we go to next number. Next number is 3. In 3 table 15 come? Yes, at 5s. So we write 3 5s are 15. Table 4 table 15 come? No. Then we check in 5 table 15 come? Yes. Clear? But 5 3s are 15. But student, now you are able to see that 5 and 3 are again repeating. Same numbers are repeating. So what we do? We will stop here. Clear? And after that we write the factors because after this process all the numbers will be repeated only. Clear? So what are the factors? All these numbers you will write in this line in ascending order. Means 1 after 1 3, then 5, then 15. Clear? Now we do B part. 20. Firstly we start with 1. 1 20 is a 20. Then we see in 2 table. 2 table 20 come at 10s. So you write 2 10s are 20. Then 3 table 20 come? No. 4 table 20 come, add 5s are, so we write 4 5s are 20. Then we see 5 table 20 come, 5 4s are. Now see, again the numbers are repeating, the 4 and 5, so we will stop. So all these numbers are the factor of 20. So we are right in a ascending order. Clear? Similarly, student, we do C part. C part is 24. We start from 1. 1 24s are 24. Then we see in 2 table 24 come or not. What we do? We divide 24 by 2. When you divide it, you get 2 12s are 24. Clear? Then 3 table 24 come at 8. So you write 3 8s are 24. 4 table 24 come, 4 6 are 24. 5 table 24 come, no. Then you see in 6 table 24 come, yes. 6 4s are 24. So means again numbers are repeating. So you stop, because when numbers start repeating, you will not write it. So all these numbers are the factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Clear, student? Now we do D part. D part is 1 28s are 28. 2 table 28 come at 14s are, so you write 2 14s are 28. 3 table 28 come, no. 4 table 28 come at 7s are, so you write 4 7s are 28. 5 table 28 come, no. 6 table, no. 7 table, 7 4s are 20. Means same numbers are start repeating, so you stop and you will write all these numbers as a factors. Clear? Now E and F part of this one question is a homework for you. You have to do by yourself. Clear? Now we do question number 2. In this you have to use division method. Means the given number you have to divide by the number and you have to start the number from 1. Clear? Firstly we see how we write in the copy. You have to write like this manner. 12 you have to divide firstly by 1 because 1 is the smallest factor. 12 divided by 1 you get 12. Now you divide 12 by 2. You divide it, answer come 6. So you write 6. Now you divide 12 by 3, answer come 4. So you write 4. Now 12 divided by 4. Answer come 3. So student, again 4 and 3 are repeating, means same numbers are repeating. So you will stop. Now this time you will write all these numbers in ascending order in a factors. Clear? Now we do B part, same like A part. 18 divided by 1, 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. 18 divided by 3, 6. 18 divided by 4, not possible because remainder left in when you divide 18 by 4. 5, not possible. 6, again number repeating, you stop. Then these all numbers are the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Clear, students? Now we do C and D part. Firstly you divide by 1, answer come 36. Then you divide 36 by 2 because 36 is a even number and all the even numbers are divisible by 2. And when you divide it, answer come 18. Then you divide 36 by 3, answer come 12. 36 divided by 4, answer come 9. Clear? Then you divide 36 by 5, not possible. So what do? You divide 36 by 6. Clear? So answer comes 6. Now student, see here 2 6 are coming, but we will write only 1 6. Clear? Now after 36 divided by 6, we divided by 7, not possible. Then with 8, not possible. 9, again 36 divided by 9, answer come 4, means same answer is coming, same numbers are repeating, so you stop. So all these numbers are the factors of a 36, mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I will write all the numbers only one time. We will not write one number two times. Clear? So if 6 are coming 2 times, so you will write only one time. Clear, students? Then we do D part. 54 we divide by 1. Answer come 54. 54 divided by 2. Answer come 27. Clear? We always write a quotient here. 54 divided by 3. Answer come 18. 54 divided by 4. Not possible. When you divide, remainder will be left. So that is not a factor. In a factor, remainder should be 0. 54 divided by 5. Not possible. Again remainder will be left. So you divide 54 by 6. When you divide it, answer come 9. After 6, it will come on 9 table. So means again 9 and 6 will be repeating. So you stop. And all these numbers are the factors of 54. So you will arrange these numbers in ascending order. Clear, students? Now we do question number 3. Write true and false and give reason also. 4 is a factor of 48, means in 4 table 48 come. Yes, you divide both the number, so remainder will be 0 here, so answer will be true. Clear? 0 is a factor of 24. No, 0 is not a factor of 25 because you can't divide any number by 0, so this is false. Clear? Now every number is a factor of itself. Yes, you take 12. 12 can divide 12 also. Yes, so this is true. Clear? 8 is a factor of 65. Divide these number. If you divide, remainder will leave left over there, so this is false. 1 is a factor of every number. You already know that smallest factor of every number is 1, so this is true. 45 is a factor of 5. Always the smallest number is a factor of a bigger number. Neither be a bigger number is a factor of small number, so this is false. Clear, students? Now we will do question number 4. Question number 4 is same like question number 1 and 2. Only we write down the factors of it. So see how we write. Firstly, we will see in how to write factors. 4 and 10 number is given. Firstly, you write down 4 factors, means you will see in which table 4 come. As you all know that smaller factor of every number is 1 and bigger factor is the number itself. So firstly we write 1 and 4. Clear? And now see, means only that one factors come which are smaller than 4 only. Clear? After 1 we will check in 2 table. 2 table 4 come. Yes, 2 2s are 4. So you write 2 only one time. You can't write 2 2 times na? So you write 2. After 2 you will check in 3 table 4 come. No. After that 4 already written. So it means you have to stop over there. Clear? Now we write a factor of 10. As you all know that smaller factor is 1 and bigger is 10. It means that you have to find out the factor between these two numbers only. After 1 you will see in which table 10 come. 2 table 2 5s. So you write 2 also 5 also. Clear? Means after 2 you will get a factor from 5 table, not from 3, not from 4. And after 5 you will see that you will get a factor at 10. So you will stop here. Now question is find the common factors. It is same like multiples. You have to see which numbers are common. 1 is common in both the numbers, so you write 1 here. Then you see 2 is common in both the numbers, so you write 2 over here. So these are the common factors. Clear? Now we will write down B part. B part is 9 and 27. It means that firstly you write 1 and then you write 9 at the end. Smallest factor and biggest factor. After 1 you will see in 2 tables 9 come. No, you will not write. 3 table 9 come. Yes, so you write 3 here because 3 3s are 9. You will write 3 only one time. 4 table 9 come. No. 5 table no. 6 table no. 7 table no. 8 table no. Then 9 already written, means you have to stop now. Clear? Then factor of 27. 1 27 you already written. Then you see 27 come at 3 table. 27 is a odd number, so it does not come in 2 table. Clear? So 3 9s are 27. Clear? If you know that in any table these one numbers does not come, so you will stop. Clear? Now common factors are 1 and 3. So you write 1 and 3 as a common factors. Clear? Now we do E part. Students, A, B part I have done. D and E part of this one question is a homework for you. You have to do by yourself. Now I am doing E and F part. E part is 45 and 60, means you have 45 and 60 also. Firstly you see 45. 1 and 45 already written. Then you see in 2 table. 2 table 45 does not come. Then you see 3 table. 3 table 45 come at 15, so I have written 3 after 1 and 15 before 45. Clear? Then we will see after 3 45 come at 5 tables, so you write 5 and 9s are 5 9s are 45, you write both the number. After that you see after 9 it is coming in 15 tables, so you will stop here. Clear? Now you will find out the factor of 60. 1 60s are 60. 2 table 60 come, 2 is a even number, 60 is also an even number. 2 30s are. 3 table 60 come, 20s are. 4 table 60 come, 15s are. 5 table 60 come, 12s are. 6 table 60 come at 10s are. So all these are the factors of 60. Clear? Means after 6 it is coming in 10 table, then 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Now you find out common factor. 1 is a common means present in both the numbers. Then you see 3 is common in both the tables, so you write 3 here. Then you see 5 is common in both the table, you write 5. Then 15. So these are the common factors of 45 and 60. Now student, we do F part. Firstly you write down the factors of 12. Mean you will see in which table 12 come. It comes in 1 table, 2 table, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Similarly you find out the factors of 18 and 36. After this you have to find out the common factor. Common factor is 1. 1 is present in all 3 numbers. You have to see all 3 numbers. You can't see only in 2. If you see in 2 numbers, that will be wrong. After 1, 2 is present in all 3 numbers, so you write 2. Now see 3. 3 is present in all these numbers, so you write 3. Now see 4 is present only in 2 numbers, so you will not write it. Clear? So after 4 you will see 6 is present in all these numbers, so you write 6. Clear? So these all are the factors of 12, 18 and 36. Clear students? Now this is your homework which you have to do by yourself in the maths copy. Clear? So student, today you understand what are the factors, and there are 2 methods of finding factor. One is multiplication method, one is division method. We have done both the method. Multiplication you have to see in which table the numbers come, and in the division method you have to divide the given number by different numbers. Clear? And then you have to write down the factors in ascending order. Then you have understand how to find the common factors. Clear? So I hope you understand the concept. So thank you and have a nice day.